Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today guys, we're gonna talk about generosity and just giving and why you should give. So hopefully you're enjoying this video. If you do, hit the like button and subscribe. Hopefully you enjoy the picture. Alright, so let's jump in. So why you should give? You should give because basically the more you give, the more you're basically gonna get back in return. That's how the universe works. One of the things is mentality, right? And people that tend to give tend to receive more. People that tend to give feel better about themselves, or they just feel better in general. And giving is such a good way. You will get back in ways you probably won't even expect. Being nice, being extremely thankful, all these good things, and giving is great. Now, an example of giving could be giving to the homeless or giving to someone who doesn't have something, right? Like someone at the register, they're missing a few bucks, you're going to help, right? You give them a few bucks, right? Because they didn't have the money or whatever, right? Or there's a kid in front of you trying to buy an ice cream cone and they don't have the money, right? Give them the money. If you want, you could help them out. And this is a way of giving. This is a way of helping, right? And that's a big, that's a big thing. You don't have to do it all the time, but obviously it is nice to do it if you could do it. You know, um, donating to fundraisers or charities, especially like anything, like the best charities to donate, the best ones are wildlife or nature or anything like that. These are the best things really to donate to, in my opinion. Anything to help the earth, mother nature, you get the idea. And giving will just help you, right? Like when you feel better, things will be better in your life. When you think better and when you're happy, that's when better things will happen in your life. And that could make wonderful changes to you. So being generous is a big thing. And I think most people lack that, right? Like if you have people that are doing construction in your house and they, I don't know, they're really hungry or something, or, you can always get them food. And believe me, they'll probably do a better job. They'll work better, or they'll do extra things for you. So basically, kindness, generosity, all these things, giving is basically a very, very good thing to do. You won't just feel better by yourself. You won't just feel better, but you'll be better, and you'll be more happier, and you make changes to this world. Imagine being a kid who doesn't have the money to buy a cone at an ice cream store because you're out by a few pennies. And if you give, you'll get back. Anyway, appreciate everybody watching this video. See you guys next time.